So what?
So,
What did you prepare?
a simple kind of soup.
What's the ingredients?
A lot of
Like what? Is there a meat there?
yeah, they have also a meat. That's normal. If you want to cook something, some vegetable, you can also put something meat, something you know, for the smell on. And example, you can try it to put vegetable with the dry fish. You know, that's how tradition here. Also, all of the people in the island, we already cooking with that kind of food.
Yeah. So, baby, Marie is really a good
Hello, how
cooker.
are you?
Yeah.
Siya na sa wala ma anuhan ha ma. Wala na po. Stay sa loob, wala po.
Dai, paim na ko dai ha.
Oh, naa din. Wait. Magpasa ka.
Yeah, so they have a lot of okra. So look at their
Thanks to God
vegetable
for all the
here.
blessings with the simple kind of vegetables. We call that here in the Philippines okra.
What's the English of okra?
I don't know yet. I'm not recognized that's I didn't think about the all the English.
What's the English of okra, Lorraine?
Okra.
No, is that one also came from the garden, Marie?
Yeah, that is
Wow.
simple kind of cucumber, but you know it's full because they become yellow. I don't know. We forgot to harvesting, or it's hiding on the bush. It's hiding there on the jungle, or no, or I think on the garden, and it become full. Just never mind about that.
Marie is really a good wife and also
We will try it.
hardworking and also a
I
very
will
good
try
cooker. So Alfred now is really
I will
getting
try my
bigger
best
now.
that.
Getting bigger because of the love and care of Marie. Wow.
Thanks to God. God bless.
Kaya it's a tender loving care plus massage therapy every night. Oh. Did you massage him every night, Marie?
Not every night, but you know it's something that if they have example, they have something problem of Alfred about the pain of, you know, I'm not judging, but she is already who they are old, you know, you see, and that is he take me, he just say about if they have pain in the leg. Ate, wala ko.
But he's very good. Marie is a really good,
Get a massage for me.
really good wife. Ano sa na bantayan kay gisayo sayawan ni talikod sila. Bantayan kay gisayo.
Never sa liklik. Ate, patay ba?
Ano gisaliklik.
Na-enjoy siya sa heard niya's music.
Taliklik ko. Silingan ni right?
Ha? Lagi ni ano na po.
So their garden here. So they just harvested a lot. You know, so the eggplants are growing. So we just came from church and just decided to come up here before on our way home.
Yeah. Then you are coming from home.
Yes, there's a right turn.
Ferns are growing there. So pretty good.